Are you ready to embark on a journey through the most terrifying places in the universe? From a planet that defies all odds to a supermassive black hole that bends the laws of physics, we're about to explore the darkest corners of our cosmos. You might think it will be a thrilling adventure, but what if that civilization had vanished without a trace? When a massive star collapses, it can release more energy in a single day than our sun will in its entire lifetime. The remnants of this explosion can remain hot and dangerous for thousands of years. But it's also home to one of the most dangerous phenomena in the universe, supernovas. When a star goes supernova, it can release a shock wave that blasts through the nebula at incredible speeds. If you were caught in the path of this explosion, you'd be met with unimaginable heat and radiation that would vaporize your body in an instant. It's a harsh and unforgiving environment where only the most resilient can survive. If you were to find yourself in the crater of a supernova, you'd be met with unimaginable temperatures and radiation levels that would obliterate any life form. It is located near the event horizon of a black hole where the gravitational pull is thousands times stronger than Earth's gravity. But they also remind us of the beauty and wonder of the universe. Remember, while space may be a vast and sometimes scary place, it's also full of endless possibilities and discoveries waiting to be made. Just like those daring explorers of the New World, we're constantly pushing the boundaries of what we know and exploring the uncharted territories of our world. So keep looking up at the stars and never stop exploring, because you never know what amazing discoveries await us in the great beyond. Until then, happy exploring, and may your journeys take you to all corners of the cosmos. Who knows, you might just discover something that changes our understanding of the universe forever. If you were in the spaghetti triangle, you wouldn't be for long. Eventually, you'd be ripped apart by the sheer force and become part of the black hole itself. It's a fate worse than death and a chilling reminder of the power of the universe. It's a stark reminder of the raw power of nature and the fragility of life. Scientists theorize that there could be an advanced race in the Milky Way that has somehow wiped out every other intelligent species in its path. You take a step forward and suddenly find yourself falling into its depths. This strange phenomenon is similar to what happens near a black hole. As you approach, it creates a gravitational pull so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape its grasp. But here's the twist. Unlike regular black holes that are massive and relatively easy to detect, phantom black holes are much smaller and difficult to spot. They're like predators lurking in the shadows, waiting to strike. If you were near a phantom black hole, you might not even realize it until it was too late. Would you be able to escape before it's too late? This terrifying idea is known as the Great Filter. It suggests that there's a barrier to advancing that prevents species from becoming like us or further. Perhaps it's a natural phenomenon or a self-imposed limit. But the thought of an unstoppable force roaming the galaxy, eradicating civilizations in its wake, is truly haunting. If you were in the unfortunate position of stumbling upon this great filter, would you have the courage to face whatever it is? Or would you turn back and hide in the safety of your spaceship? Number 5. The Great Filter. Imagine traveling through space and encountering a civilization so advanced they've mastered interstellar travel. No. 4. The crater of a supernova. Picture yourself witnessing the most spectacular and deadly event in the life cycle of a star, a supernova explosion. No. 3. The phantom black hole. Imagine hiking through a forest and suddenly feeling an inexplicable pull towards a nearby lake. No. 2. The Red Rectangle Nebula. This nebula is a stellar nursery where new stars are born. Number 1. The Spaghetti Triangle. This is a region of space where gravity is so intense that it would literally stretch your body into a thin noodle. From the threat of an unknown predator to the destructive power of a supernova, these places are truly terrifying.